Have you ever heard before you can promote your YouTube channel using Redbubble? That's what we're going to talk about in this quick video. Welcome again, my name is Reeman. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about how to promote your YouTube channel using Redbubble. And for sure, we all know you can monetize your YouTube channel by selling your merch and your Redbubble designs. All you have to do is you can provide available content in your YouTube channel and mention and drop the link of your store and your Redbubble shop and your Redbubble collections in the description box of your YouTube videos. However, what about promoting your YouTube channel in your Redbubble? And to know that, let me show you this amazing example. Here on Redbubble, let me show you this amazing shop, Amoeba Sisters. And for that wonderful design, Biology Pro, just you can scroll down to the description of that design. As you see, Amoeba Sisters art, we make a percent margin on every order which goes to the Amoeba Sisters YouTube channel. Our channel of free educational biology videos, and they mention the link of their YouTube channels. youtube.com user Amoeba Sisters, and this store mentions the brand link of their YouTube channel for every single design they upload on Redbubble. And that way they are playing over 2 points. The first one, they trigger the customer to appreciate their efforts and their scientific knowledge, thus they purchase their products. Number two, they make you curious to have a look at their YouTube videos and therefore get more followers and get more subscribers for people who are interested in that topic, which is biology related topics. And you can take that as a brand awareness or a transactional traffic. Just you can get traffic from YouTube to Redbubble and from Redbubble to your YouTube channel. So you have to mention the link of your YouTube channel for every single design you upload on Redbubble, as you see, as a call to action. And description, a brief description of your YouTube videos, like this one, our channel of free educational biology videos. And of course, if I have a look at their YouTube channels on YouTube, as you see, they are doing well here. 1 million subscribers, Amoeba Sisters, as you see. Okay, and to knowledge, these sisters have also their own website, this one, amoebasisters.com. Okay, as you see, you can make a brand awareness everywhere. You can get transactional traffic from this place to another, from this one to this one, and so on. Either from YouTube, either from merch, either from podcast, and so on. And to this end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.